Valley Water provides access to safe, clean drinking water for Santa Clara County. We invite you to partner with us to advance our mission of providing safe, clean water for a healthy life, environment, and economy through our Valley Water Refill Station Grant Program.
The grant program provides up to $5,000 to nonprofit organizations, public agencies, schools, community-based organizations, and private agencies to purchase, install, and maintain a water bottle refill station of your choice.
By applying and receiving a grant, you will be contributing to improving community health by increasing access to clean water, supporting sustainability efforts by reducing plastic water bottles, and promoting public awareness of environmental protection.
Ready to apply? Get started in 3 easy steps. Visit our website at valleywater.org/refill station to find information on the award process and project requirements. Next, register your organization on our online grants portal. This is where you can find our online application and submit all the required documents. Once you're finished, hit submit and grant staff will review your application and follow up with any additional questions. Finally, once you have been awarded a grant and an agreement has been signed, you may begin to purchase and install a refill station of your choice.
Apply for a water bottle refill station grant today by visiting our website below. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to working with you.